Hi everyone, Keith Haddock, Avalanche Educator and Backcountry Guide. Today I'd like to talk about the Ortovox Avalanche Airbag Light System and our preseason maintenance check as we step into winter. To start, you're going to want to reacquaint yourself via the user manual, great resource. Now once you break your bag out, it's good to hand wash, never fully submerge these. And while we're doing so, you want to inspect all the fabric for rips or tears. Make sure your zippers are still in good integrity and that your plastic buckles aren't compromised. Once you've done that, I like to go inside where my battery and fan housing live, and I fully inspect this for cracks and damages. Check the fan cover, the underside, and then we want to check the charge port to make sure it's clean and free of debris. Now, once we've charged it a full 24 hours due to the manufacturer's recommendations after prolonged storage, go ahead and turn it on, press and hold for 2 seconds. And while it's coming on, we're looking and listening for 3 rising beeps along with our LED lights to come on. And this assures us that our system's working and it's preparing our supercapacitors, which takes roughly 5 to 15 minutes depending before you can use it and deploy it. And in that time, I'll continue my inspection. A very important part to check over is where your housing for the airbag lives. And we want to make sure these zippers are in good order, our plastic buckles holding. We want to make sure these zippers work, and then they reseal it once you go back down. And recommended that both of these zippers are in the down position before you ever deploy it. Moving on, we come to the front here. I like to inspect my shoulder harnesses and most importantly my cable, that it didn't get cut or torn from last season's ride. Also, I like to make sure my handle is going into on and off position both ways per design. Lastly, we'll check our seat strap. I like to make sure the buckle's good, nylon's good, high integrity, it's gonna hold. So from here, you're gonna wanna go ahead and be in a good, safe, free area that you can give it a test deployment. So we have our orange seat strap. Our on position is highlighted orange, and we have our lit LED stripes. So anytime we're out in the backcountry, we can always rely on our partner for a buddy check to give us the 3-point systems check before we're entering avalanche terrain. So as you can see, I have full deployment. This is a great opportunity to inspect now your airbag for any leaks, damages, tears. Looks good. Next, with these airbags, you want to shut them off before you deflate them. And the light tricks here are designed with a built-in key to deflate. In the bottom, there's a slot right there that'll go right in, opens the valve. And what we're looking for here is that we get good deflation. There's nothing clogged up in the system there. Now we've done a full equipment check here with our airbag. Remember, it's always good to test all of your equipment and practice with it before entering any backcountry terrain this season to assure a good, safe ride.